What if I told you that just a few minutes of movement each day could completely transform your body, mind, and energy levels? Imagine waking up feeling stronger, more confident, and full of life, all by making one simple change. But here's the catch: most people get it wrong. Stay with me till the end, because I'm about to reveal the most powerful physical activities that can supercharge your health, burn fat effortlessly, and boost your happiness like never before. Get ready, you won't want to miss this. In today's fast-paced digital world, people spend more time sitting at desks, scrolling through phones, and leading sedentary lifestyles. This lack of movement can lead to various health problems, including obesity, heart disease, and mental stress. However, incorporating regular physical activity into daily life can transform both physical and mental well-being. From boosting heart health to improving mood, physical activities are the foundation of a healthy, energetic, and fulfilling life. This article explores different types of physical activities, their incredible benefits, and simple ways to make exercise a natural part of your routine. Why physical activity is essential. Engaging in physical activities is not just about staying fit, it is about longevity, happiness, and overall wellness. Here is why movement is crucial. Improves heart health, reduces the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Strengthens the heart muscles, improving blood circulation. Helps maintain healthy cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Boosts mental health and mood. Releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that reduce stress and anxiety. Improves sleep quality, reducing insomnia and fatigue. Helps in battling depression by increasing serotonin levels. Aids in weight management. Burns calories and increases metabolism. Helps in maintaining a healthy body weight and prevents obesity-related issues. Builds muscle mass, leading to long-term fat loss. Strengthens bones and muscles. Increases bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Enhances flexibility, balance, and posture, preventing injuries. Strengthens muscles, improving overall body strength. Boosts energy and productivity. Enhances oxygen supply to the brain, improving focus and concentration. Reduces fatigue and boosts stamina. Helps in staying active and alert throughout the day. Types of physical activities. Physical activity does not always mean going to the gym. There are various ways to stay active, ensuring exercise fits your lifestyle and preferences. Cardiovascular exercises or aerobic activities. These exercises increase heart rate and improve oxygen flow. They are ideal for weight loss and heart health. Running or jogging, brisk walking, cycling, swimming, jump rope, strength training or anaerobic exercises. These focus on building muscle strength and endurance. Weightlifting, bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges. Resistance band training, kettlebell workouts, flexibility and mobility exercises. These enhance muscle flexibility, reduce stiffness, and improve posture. Yoga, stretching routines, Pilates, Tai Chi, sports and recreational activities. Sports make exercise fun and engaging while providing a full body workout. Football, basketball, tennis, badminton, martial arts. Daily movement and functional fitness. Even small activities count. Incorporate movement into daily life. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Walking or cycling instead of driving. Gardening or household chores. Playing with kids or pets. How to incorporate physical activity into daily life. Many people struggle to stay active due to busy schedules or lack of motivation. Here are simple tips to make exercise a daily habit. Start small by beginning with 10 to 15 minutes a day and gradually increasing. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it is dance, swimming, or yoga. Make it social by exercising with friends, joining a fitness class, or participating in group sports. Set realistic goals by aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. Use a fitness tracker to monitor steps, calories burned, and workout progress. Stay consistent by making movement a daily priority, just like eating and sleeping. Conclusion: physical activity is the key to a healthy and happy life. Whether you are running, dancing, lifting weights, or simply walking, moving your body daily brings immense benefits. It is never too late to start. Even small changes can lead to big improvements in health and well-being. So, take the first step today. Get moving, stay active, and enjoy the journey to a healthier life. Did you find this guide helpful? Share your favorite physical activity in the comments. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips.